It's a start in the green for the equity markets this morning, despite the kind of moves that you saw overseas, with a little bit of a tentative move post that election rally. Still awaiting with bated breath what the US elections will do, but for now we're making no complaints whatsoever. 12,168 on the index, getting off to a very healthy start above the 12,100 mark, up about 50 points in trade. You've got the Sensex as well, which is holding out nearly 200 points on that index, and further within the broader universe as well. So the mid and the small cap indices as well are holding out quite smartly. That breadth too is in favor of the gaining side. And in terms of sectors, you've got PSU banks, energy, media, real estate, even the auto index is contributing, while on the flip side it's just about flat with a mild negative bias for PSEs as well as the IT index. Taking it straight to those nifty gainers then, and RIL is at top of the heap. Can't blame that counter given the latest check that has come in. Tata Motors looking strong at 140. Eicher Motors in the green, NTPC, Bajaj Auto, SBI, Bajaj Finserv, BPCL, M&M as well as Titan, Maruti, they're all firing up the screen in trade today. It's gains of about 1% or so. Well, on the flip side though, you've got Tech Mahindra losing out about 1.5%. GAIL, Nestle, Kotak Bank as well as Ultratech Cement, that's down 0.5%. HCL Technologies, Wipro and even L&T a bit muted in trade. A whole host of newsmakers actually across the board, Reliance Industries being prime among them, because the latest check in fact has come in for the company. That Saudi Arabia's public investment fund, one of the world's largest sovereign wealth funds, that has pumped in close to 9,550 crore rupees in exchange for 2.04%. This takes the pre-money value of the company to 4.5 lakh crores, and so far RIL has sold about 10% stake in Reliance Retail for 47,265 crore rupees. Meantime, you've got a whole host of result reactions as well kicking in. Gujarat Gas is in focus, and it's been a bit of a strong set of numbers for the company. They have delivered a PAT at about 634 crores. Indostar, on the other hand, has also come out with a healthy set of numbers. That stock reacting. Concor, they delivered a profit of about 175 crores versus a loss. Adani Transmission, another result reaction. Dalmia Bharat. Dish TV, a bit of mixed set of numbers. You've got Greaves Cotton weak. They delivered a loss of 22.5 crores. Vinity Organics as well, a little bit muted. The profits were down nearly 14% on year. Birla Co-op, all result reactions. You've got Inox, Eclugs, Dhamaka set of numbers. Profits up 18%. AstraZeneca, strong set of earnings. Pratap Snacks as well was a little bit disappointing. Mindaco, those are all a whole host of result reactions. Within the broader universe, you've got momentum, which is definitely intact this morning, and a whole host of names as well that are firing up the screen. Adani Power, IOB, Birla Co-op, something like Himmat Sinka, Godrej Properties, all doing well and quoting in the green for the equity markets.